my loves, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm gonna show you how to create this super fun, vibrant, smoky eye look. It's a lot easier to do than it looks actually. And you know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of summer. So let's get started. Start off by packing a matte light blue eyeshadow along your lash line and build it up gradually towards your crease. And using a blending brush, blend this out in your crease. Blue can be a little challenging to blend sometimes, so take your time with this. Next, apply the same shadow along your lower lash line and connect it in the outer corners. Next, pop a shimmery yellow shadow onto the inner corners of your eyes and blend the edges slightly using a small blending brush. Pop a shimmery light blue eyeshadow onto the center of your mobile eyelids and blend the edges out like so. You can dampen your brush slightly with some setting spray or some contact lens solution if you want your shimmery shadows to apply more vibrant. While I'm blending this out guys, please leave me a comment below and let me know if you personally prefer colorful or neutral looks. I'm so curious. Next, use a nude or white pencil liner and line your lower waterline. Do your liner in your preferred style. I did a wing. Curl your lashes and apply mascara to the upper and lower lashes. This look was begging me for a nice pair of lashes, so I'm going in with this fun pair from Bepholan. All the products I'm using are listed and linked below and on my blog guys, so check it out if you're interested in anything I'm using. And finally, I'm highlighting my brow bone and cheekbones. And we're done guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peep that little ray of sunshine by the way. It was perfect. I love how this look turned out and I hope you enjoyed watching it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I really hope you try to recreate this. It's so fun. I have new beginner friendly tutorials going up every Wednesday, so hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss it. And if you have any looks you'd like me to recreate, do leave them in the comments below or DM me on Instagram. I would love to help you out. You can find all my links to all my accounts in the description box below. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!